Just so excited for the annual one-day sale at United Tool and Fasteners on Thursday, November 14th. I can't wait for the city of Houston to see all these deals. I'm about to pull up to United Tool and Fasteners right now and show them all the great deals the city of Houston is going to get. Folks, the Cuban Cowboy is back, and guess what time it is? It is the annual one-day sale at United Tool and Fasteners, and we did so good last year. Guess what? I got my own truck. Come follow me to a truckload of savings. Here we got our 10-piece combo kit for $469, and then you want to go follow me over here. We're going to have our most popular 2-piece combo kit for $269. Get a third battery, and guess what? You get your choice of a grinder or a fan for those hot days in Houston. Folks, if you're looking for the best tools at the best price, Thursday, November 14th, you don't want to miss it. 6320 North Shepherd Drive at United Tool and Fasteners. If you got some money to spend, come with us. We'll feed you.